In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in Basecamp. If you need backups, want to analyze your projects outside the platform, or are switching tools, exporting data is a simple and important process. Start by logging into your Basecamp account. Once you are in, head to Admin Land, which acts as the control center for all administrative tasks. Depending on your version, you'll find the Admin Land link either at the bottom of your home page or inside the main menu. Inside Admin Land, look for the option called Export Data from this account. Click it and you'll be taken to the Export section, where Basecamp organizes all download options. Here, you'll be able to choose exactly which project data you want to export. This is especially useful if your account has multiple projects and you only need specific ones. After selecting the projects you want, click Export My Data. Basecamp will process your request, and the time it takes usually depends on how large your projects are. Once the export is ready, Basecamp will display a download button. Your data will typically come in a zip file, which you can save locally, upload to secure storage, or import into another project management tool. Make sure to open the zip file afterward to confirm everything exported correctly. And if you're working across multiple tools, always check that the file format is compatible. Regularly exporting your data is a smart habit to prevent data loss and keep secure backups of important projects. Thanks for watching and feel free to drop any questions in the comments.